we're off on another adventure to explore some of the culinary and cultural highlights of Bali. We'll explore the rare sea salt, Balinese wine, and the island's famous coffee, and have a little surprise visit at the end. So let's go.
Nice to see you again. You look great.
Wayan was our amazing guide last time we visited Ubud, so of course we had to include him on this adventure. And of course, he knew the best place to go and get a coffee on the way.
You, it is simple carrying thing, basket. They're making from very traditional material. It's the first process. Gonna be take 3 or 4 hours to make the salt. Yeah.
The black volcanic sands act as a natural filter, purifying the seawater and leaving the salt crystals on the surface. The crusty sand is then collected and placed in a filter box where already purified seawater is poured over it. The water lifts the salt crystals off the sand and drains to coconut tree troughs below. The water is then poured into hollowed-out tree halves to evaporate in the Bali sun, leaving behind the purified and delicious Balinese sea salt.
Why are there like 3 different baskets here of salt?
This is from the last process, so they get more product of their salt. And why they put in the 3 different space, because this from the bottom of the last process, and this one the middle level, and this the perfect one. It's more clean and the taste is more stronger. This one they sell in the special package, and this one they put in the just a normal plastic bag, so they sell in the local market. This more go international. They can make salt about 25 kg for 1 day if good the sun.
That's good salt.
Yeah. It reminds me of spending all day at the beach as a kid.
Welcome to Sabah Winery.
One of the only wineries in Bali.
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna learn how they grow grapes in the tropics.
Thank you.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. I'm Dia.
I'm Chloe. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. So our brand in here we call Sabah Beach. The name of our brand that was taken by the name of the beach and village nearby. Because of our winery location, this is nearby Sabah Beach and also Sabah Village. And Sabah Bay, it has been started at 2010 by our founder, Mrs. Mulyati Gozali. She's from Indonesia, Miss, exactly from Jakarta.
Is it your first time in a winery, Wayan?
Yes, this is my first time. Thank you for taking me here.
So what do you think of Sabah Bay Winery? How's Bali wine?
I think that they're doing a really good job with what they've got.
It's good. It's absolutely worth the visit. Absolutely worth going and trying that stuff out.
Red wine, I'd totally buy a bottle of that.
The red wine was good. The sparkling was good. We didn't like the white and the rosé as much. The Cabernet was decent. The sparkling was actually pretty nice.
Kopi Luwak is one of, if not the most expensive coffee in the world. We tried it last time we were here and we had to come back for another sample.
Two babies, one mom.
Right, we have the famous Luwak coffee. It's strong, like straight on the nose. You can just smell it's a really, really strong coffee. It reminds me a lot of the normal Balinese coffee, if you've ever drunk Balinese coffee. If you haven't, it's basically strong with lots of flavor, but it's not too high in acidity. So it's really easy drinking on the stomach, especially first thing in the morning. The Luwak is even more intense in flavor, even more strong, just straight up good black coffee. Best in the world, apparently.
In your country, you have a cappuccino, but in Bali, we have cappuccino.
It's a nice strong coffee, but it's not too acidic.
Yeah, so we have every morning.
Now Luwak. Yeah, it's stronger, but it's smoother.
Less bitter.
Yeah. Good morning, Abud. So while we were out yesterday, we were tasting Kopi Luwak, and Chloe had mentioned that the yoga instructor she found here in Abud, her family owns a coffee plantation up a little bit north. So we are going to hop on the scooter and head about an hour north of Abud up to, I think that's how you say it, Kintamara, and go visit their coffee plantation. Let's go.
So we'll follow you in the scooter?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was a long scooter ride. It was over an hour to get up here. But now we're at the coffee plantation. So let's check it out.
This is my temple. We call Gedong Suci. Is called all Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Buddha, Hanuman, Ganesha, and Vishnu, Brahma, Shiva.
6 hectares?
Yeah, 6 hectares.
And it's coffee?
Yes, coffee and fruits.
And how long has the coffee plantation been in your family? Is it from your grandparents or just your father bought?
Oh, from a long
time.
Yeah. I cannot talk about that. Maybe I don't know. Grandma, grandpa still.
Yeah. So it's in the family for
yeah,
a long
family
time.
is long time.
But what's this?
This we call bantal inside sticky rice.
Yeah.
And banana, this with peanut inside also.
What do you call them?
Kaliadram.
Kaliadram.
Indonesia donut. This is creepy from peanut.
Fruit.
Mandarin.
Wow.
From farming.
These are yum. Made from rice?
Rice and coconut and sugar.
Biu.
Yeah.
In Balinese, banana is biu.
And the coffee Balinese and no sugar.
Niki wadan dursan.
Oh yeah.
And that is, I would like some coffee, please.
Oh yeah.
Kali Adram.
Wedang.
Oh, wow, look at the view.
Yeah, if no clothing, you can see the view.
Hello.
Yeah, this is my father, my mother. Sorry. See my father.
Hello.
Say hello, say hello. How do we call your name so then? Yoman. Huh? And Gade?
You with the boys.
Hello.
Hello.
Wait a second.
Every Balinese home has a family temple.
Just had lunch, already has snacks. Our friend Yoman, her brother, I believe it's her brother, is the head priest at this temple. So we've been invited to come and participate in the ceremony with them. So trying to be really respectful and make sure that we're checking before we film anything. So we have permission from the head priest, and hopefully we get a chat with him later and just learn a little bit more about what's going on here today. So the rain is back, and the priest can't perform his duties until it stops raining. So now we're just waiting, and we're getting coffee.
This is the head of the village here.
This is the head of the village?
This is my cousin.
Your cousin?
Yeah, brother of Asti.
Aditya, Pinaka Penyelidik Indonesia dan Praman Bantang, dan Asmanesa, Mulingaya, sebenarnya pemargi wali Raya mungkin di Om Santi. Oke.
Bali's culinary and cultural treasures are unmatched. The hospitality of the people here wanting to share it makes it a beautiful place to learn and enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe below so you don't miss on the next adventure, and we'll see you next week.